Hey, what's going on, guys? It's currently 9:25 a.m. Um, right now, I'm looking at the charts right now for AMD. We're going to be trading AMD today. We're still doing a challenge. Currently, we're at 99,130. Our goal is to get to 110,000. Um, right now, it's looking like AMD is below the 200 moving average. So we will see what happens on the open. If it breaks the 200, it could be a long. But a lot of times when it goes below the 200, it could be a short. But I'm not gonna have a bias. We're gonna wait and see, uh, basically what the data tells us, and then we're gonna make the appropriate adjustments. So I will see you guys around 9:35, and I guess we take it from there. Also, too, before you trade at 9:30, you can always start planning ahead. A lot of times, with I use a tool called TradingView, or a website called TradingView.com, where it allows you to see the pre-market data, and then the pre-market data actually matters on how the open market kind of moves as well. So that's just a good strategy to definitely pay attention to. You definitely don't want to have any biases. You want to let the moving averages and stuff kind of guide you on your decisions. I know, at least for me. But I will see you guys at 9:35. Hopefully, we can have another profitable day. See you then. All right, guys. It looks like a reversal is starting to come up. It may be a short day. We'll see. But all right. So this is a recommendation I would say when you guys do start the challenge. I mean, with this one, you have to do a stop loss every single time, so you're going to be protected, and you put whatever stop loss you want, and then also right here you want to put a take profit. Still waiting for my setup. A lot of time in this game, man, it's about just being like patient, like just being extremely patient, not trying to force anything, and a lot of times, man, it's only about 1 or 2 setups a day that I'm willing to take. Sometimes you can even just do one trade a day. I would even recommend for people to just to do one trade a day. Set your risk management on what you want to do, and just look at it from a almost like a game of probabilities. You know what I'm saying? If you're risking, $100, you're looking to make $300. Look at it from that standpoint. But just be patient. Kind of let the plays kind of come to you, man. Still waiting for this reversal. It's trying to fight it a little bit. So I have my take profit in. What we got in at 74.46. Okay. Oh man, let me go back. Let me modify that. That is two. Okay, so you already made money there. Um, I took the profit too fast. I made a mistake. So I made $160 on that one, but it's all good. Let's see what it's gonna do now. Well, I guess I got out at a a good point because it's doing a reversal now. got out way too soon again. But we're gonna get better at it. Like you said, we're gonna get through this. One trade at a time. Maybe another reversal coming, but we will see. Let's just wait and see. Let me move this over here so y'all can see the full chart. Yeah, so now right here, if it doesn't break the 200 and it tries to come back up and it doesn't break that, then it should be going down. But we're not forcing anything. Um, a great tool that you guys could use, man. The MACD is a very powerful indicator that you could use. It kind of identifies the trend in which the stocks are going. But you got to know how to use it, though. I've been working with it for a couple months now, and let me tell you, man, this audition is no joke. Man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I've taken it like multiple times to try and get through it. But the good thing is that when you do, fail it and keep trying, you learn things from it until you get like a pretty good system together. So even though I had to take it multiple times, I'm appreciative of it because it's almost a curse. If you start off winning, that's almost like a curse with trading. Like, you know what I mean? Because you need to go ahead and take a couple losses to learn from those to be a better trader. So, um, but yeah, man, but definitely learned a lot through this process, man. Yeah, a lot of this stuff is just a waiting game and just waiting to see what's gonna happen. Waiting game. Let's just wait and see what's gonna happen. Yeah, the 34 moving average is above VWAP, so but it's pointing down, so I don't know. And also, too, guys, some days you don't have to trade. If you don't see your setup, just don't trade. I mean, like discipline is the most important thing with this, man. Like it's just nuts. Like how discipline is just everything. Look like a reversal is trying to happen, but let's see. It's having a hard time getting above the 34. Look at that. See how I try to fake you out. That's why, man. You got to be so patient with this thing, man. Seemed like it was trying to go up, but then it kind of came right back down. Make up your mind, man. All right, let's test it out. Let's see. It's another thing too. What you want to do is make sure you modify your order so you can make some adjustments along the way. And the good thing, when you're patient with these plays, I mean, you have more than enough time to get out of the play to cut your losses fast. got a little bit of cushion. I got like 160 in there, so we'll see. It's taking so long trying to break this thing. Like, what's going on? All right, there we go. They gotta really break it though. So, This thing be freezing up. All right, let's do 65. Get there. All right, go ahead and take some profit. All right. Yeah, so today this thing was kind of moving kind of crazy. So today we finished with, let's see, 160 plus 210. So that's three. What we got? 370 again today. I could have done a lot better, but it's all good. Slowly but surely, we're gonna get through this path together, guys. So um, I'm done for the day. You know me, I like to get in, between 9:30 and like 10 o'clock, maybe 11. Even though I knew I could have made more money today, it's all good. I'm documenting this. Also, by the way, make sure you guys are journaling. So what I've been doing, I make sure I journal like every single day. You know what I'm saying? We pulled. I'm gonna pause it real fast. I'm gonna pull up to show you guys how I journal. So hey guys, so this is another thing I do. So today is the 5th. So I put on here 12, 5, 2022. And I'm telling you guys, this is gonna really help when you're out here trying to get this thing moving. I had to go through a lot of pain just to finally give in and submit and start journaling and documenting what I'm doing, right? Um, so today we finished with, what did we add? We got 160 plus 210, so that's $370 that we did today. So right here I started with 99 130, and now I'm at, let's see, the 99 500. So let me put that in there. Just bring this down. 370, which is I could have done better, but it's all good. Slowly but surely. And then right here I just say followed rules today. With the MACD. I could have set my take profit a little higher, but still came out profitable. I can improve on my entries and exits better. Back at it tomorrow. And that's it. So journaling don't have to be this crazy thing. It's just showing what you're documenting is what you did right. You know what I mean? So I'm just documenting everything that I did right today and also what I did wrong. And then once you identify the areas where you can improve upon, you just do more of that. You know what I mean? And then also too, what I've learned is that the more you trade, the more money you will lose, guaranteed. Try to limit the amount you trade. I would say no more than like maybe 3 trades a day, up to 3. I would even recommend for people just coming in and new, man, just do 1 trade a day. Have a consistent risk management. Like me, I maybe risk like $300 or something like that per trade, because I know that every time I win, I'm making between $370 and $600. You know what I mean? Or $300 and $670. And right here it's showing you. So right here, every time I win so far, I'm winning between close to $300 and $670. So that's really gonna help. Also, make sure you you set your take profits, because what happens, the stocks can move so fast. Like right here, as you see where I got out, it did a huge reversal. And remember, if it doesn't break the 200, then you know it's gonna more than likely be like a short day. You know what I mean? So what ended up happening, I took a long going up. It never broke the 200, and then of course it came right back down. So that's just something to think about. Now, if I would have tried to take my profit manually, I probably would have missed the play and probably would have missed out on some profits. So definitely go ahead and set the take profit method. That is, at first I used to see that. I'd be like, man, like, why people keep just taking profits when they take off, you could have made more money. But the thing is, stuff moves so fast that you don't have enough time to basically adjust that. So thanks, guys. I will see you guys in the next video. I hope this was some good content. Don't forget to subscribe. Join me on this journey. Shit, let's pass this audition together. Let's go. One.